All right, so we are practicing our mini recall. Mac, come. Good boy. Good. So I'm waiting for him to walk out in front of me. I say, Mac, come, press the button, hold until he's turned and committed to moving in my direction. Mac, come. Good. And I back up with enthusiasm and tell him good boy. No. Good. Andy, that's too much for the dog. Good. Mac, come. Good boy. Good. For him to go out in front. Mac, come. Good boy. Good. Ow, pinch my finger with your teeth. Mac, come. Good boy. Good. Mac, come. Good. I should have his sound box hooked up, but I don't. Mac, come. Good. Let's go. Mac, come. Good. So I hold for quite a while. Andy, don't run at this dog, please. Okay, Mac, come. So we gauge our distractions. Pretty soon we don't want that to face him, but right now it's a little too much. Mac, come. Good. That's better distance. Mac, good. Mac, good. Anyway, got my hands full, but this is what we're doing. He's doing great. Huh, Mac? Hey, yeah.